everyone. I'm here today with Miss Rodriguez's first grade class. You guys want to say hello?
Hi!
And today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little Easter bunny just like the one on the screen. Okay? And we're going to get started. So I'm going to just remove this paper quick. So you should all have your paper long ways or vertical clipped to your clipboard. And we're going to start by finding the same spot that I have. So everyone, let's take our hands. We're going to put it above the center of our picture. So there should be a little bit of space above your hand and a lot of space below it. Do you all see that? Once you have that, you're going to go ahead and make a medium-sized circle. Don't worry about anything being perfect. And give me a thumbs up once you have it. Next step, we're going to make the right ear. So we're going to go and make these two lines and connect them. Only make that ear. Don't do the other one yet because the other one is special. Give me a thumbs up once you have it. Okay, once you have it, we're going to make the inside of the ear. And give me a thumbs up. Okay, Miss Rodriguez's class, we're going to do our next step. This is complicated, so pay close attention. You don't want to get tricked. Watch everything now. I'm going to make a shorter line and a longer line. It's going to go almost to the corner. Go ahead, do it, and give me a thumbs up. Excellent. Next step is this. We're going to make parallel lines. That means it's right next to it. It doesn't cross it. We're going to do one there and one here. And give me a thumbs up once you have it. And the next step is very tricky. The trickiest thing we'll do in here today. I'm going to show you how to make his folded ear. So pay close attention. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here. Just watch. And I'm going to make that line like that. And then wait. Just watch. I'm going to connect up here. And now we have his folded ear. Give me a thumbs up once you have it. It's really not so bad. Good job, Bodhi. Friends, remember every noise you make is ending up in this video. Next step, we're going to start making his face. This is a fun step. We're going to put a small heart for a nose. Go ahead, do it, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, next step, we're going to attach a letter J and one on the other side, just like that.
Does this have to be smiley?
Well, it's not, I wouldn't say it's smiling, it's just that's his snout. The next step is we're going to make his little beady eyes. We got one here and one here. And next step, we're going to make a small circle and a small circle, just like that. Okay, next step is we are going to make whiskers, 3 whiskers on each side. So the next step is going to be a little tricky again, but it's not so bad. Just make sure that you pay close attention when I show you, Amato. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So I'm going to be making his big body, but I'm going to start with a line. Just watch. I'm not going to go to the bottom of the page. I need to leave a little bit of space. His body is pretty big. Do you see? Just like that. Don't go to the bottom of the space. Give me a thumbs up once you have it so I know. Excellent. Another tricky step. Are you ready? Watch this. I'm going to make his giant rabbit paws. We have one. And wait. We have, make sure it connects with that line there. We have two. And then give me a thumbs up once you have it. Excellent. Next step, I'm going to put his little toes, 1, 2, and 3, or his paw, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next up, I'm going to make his arms. Got one here and one here, just like that. Give me a thumbs up once you have it. Okay, next up is his fluffy tail. And once you have that, we're going to start working on our bow tie. The bow tie starts with a circle. And we're going to be putting a heart on either side, Amari. So it's not a total heart. You'll see. 1, 2. Just like that. Okay, next step is we're going to decorate a little bit by putting some lines inside of the bow tie, Aurora. We can also put some fun lines inside of his ears. And they don't have to go in the same direction. You can kind of play with these ones. So I have these ones going kind of north and south, and I think I'll put these ones on an angle, make them more diagonal. It's a big word. It's a slanted line. Just making his eyes a little bit more bold. Yep, don't judge till the end. I'm just making his ear a little bit more pointy.
Oh, I like yours, too.
Okay, now, I didn't put this in my original picture, but maybe you want to add some buttons. You don't have to do this, but I just want to show you anyway, in case you would. So if you want to make a button, it starts with a circle. Just watch and then decide. There's a circle inside of it, just like that, and then there's 4 smaller circles. That's easy, right? Let's go ahead. Maybe I'm going to turn the one inside of his bow tie into a button too. Is that cute?
Mine's going to be a heart. Yeah.
I like that. Someone said mine's going to be a heart button. That's great. Yes, so you can change up the shape of your buttons too. You don't have to do buttons if you prefer not to.
Do a star button. Doesn't matter which.
Now we're getting fancy.
You could do an egg button because bunnies like eggs.
You could do that.
Now,
Now, raise your hand. Do not call out if you would like to share something that you could put in the background of your picture. So the only person talking is the person I choose. Mila.
Eggs or carrots?
All right, let's put an egg.
I was thinking the Easter egg basket.
Yep, we can decorate the egg too. All right, someone said a carrot. That would be cute for a bunny, right?
And an Easter egg basket.
An Easter egg basket. Raise your hand if you would like to share something that you'd like to put Mackenzie.
You can put some
Ella, well,
like little tiny Easter eggs.
little tiny Easter eggs. So we put Easter eggs. So I always make this sign if I agree with what someone else said. I'll show you guys on the screen. That just means I agree with you. Ella.
Oh yeah, that's what we learned in gifted. What about some carrots?
Yep, we said carrots, so we're gonna do this sign, right? I mean, it's like this. Aurora, something different?
Some chicks.
Oh, some chicks. Okay, chicks are a little complicated for me to draw right now, but if you want to add chicks, you definitely can. Kabir? Carrots? Oh, gifts? Yep, you could put some gifts. What would you put, Charlie? You could put some grass, okay? All right. So on the count of 3, we're going to say goodbye. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye!